It may seem odd that a women's empowerment company has a co-founder who is a man, but it's actually part of what makes us so powerful and unique. While we focus on women's circles and the empowerment of women's leadership, we do not believe in men bashing or hating men. It is part of our company's culture to honor, support, inspire, and empower the men in our lives, raising their consciousness and elevating them to their greatness as our partners in this world. When I first met Brent in March 2014, I was a few weeks shy of launching my book, Open Your Heart. When he heard what I was doing, he immediately got behind it and said, I want to help you. So there we were, fresh in relationship and already working together. 3 months after meeting, I found out I was pregnant and we moved in together. The rest is obviously history. Brent became my official business partner and co-founder of Sistership Circle. As the brother of 2 sisters and father of 2 daughters, Brent is the perfect man behind our mission. He is dedicated to supporting the rise of the divine feminine, gets the power of circle from participating in men's circles since 2015, and loves the work that we do. He even got on stage for the first time at Feminine Uprising Live 2019 to share a visualization with the women, getting choked up as he shared his passion for our work. Brent is the living and breathing example that there are so many men out there who want to support and empower women's leadership. Many women have asked during our trainings how to bring in the men. And I always say that it starts with forming a women's circle and then inviting men into that sacred space for a special event. We have a beautiful curriculum called Honoring the Masculine Feminine that we've been doing in multiple cities, starting with a circle where men share about their experience living as a man in today's world, while the women witness them. Followed by a second circle where the women share their experience as the men witness, and completing with a partnership workshop to honor the integration and union. But sisters, we must do the work first. The men will follow. Let us empower the men in our lives by first honoring what it means to be a man, by listening with open hearts and minds.